Hello everyone, welcome to Public Health Notes.
I'm giving you tutorials on Endnote.
Today I am going to give you a tutorial on how to cite references in MS Word. So in previous sessions, I had given tutorials on how to search references in Endnote library using online search mode. Then I gave tutorial on how to find duplicates and delete them. In previous session, we had learned about how to add Endnote application in MS Toolbar using the add-in command. So today, how to cite the articles in MS Word. So I have just prepared a sample text in Word file. So what you need to do is take the cursor, just define the location you want to cite the reference. You need to open Endnote. So this is the library we had created. Now click the reference. For example, I'm taking this reference. So you need to click the reference you want to cite in the defined location. It should be blue highlighted. Again, go to MS Word, go to Endnote toolbar. You can find Insert Citation over here. You need to click Insert Citation, then click Insert Selected Citation. So the particular citation will appear in the defined location as well as the reference list will be automatically updated. So this is the magical part of Endnote. So you can also cite multiple references at once. If multiple references are to be cited, you need to press Ctrl, then click the references you want to cite. It should be blue highlighted. Then go to MS Word. For example, I am citing the references over here. Then insert citation, insert selected citations. Then you can see multiple references is being cited in the particular defined location. And the reference list is also automatically updated. List of references appears at the end of the document of the paper. So you can also change your styles from the given list of styles if you want to do author date, or if you want to just have a Vancouver style or says Vancouver. So you need to be familiar with the styles. And if, for example, the referencing style you want is not there in the options, then what you need to do is just go to Endnote. You need to go to Edit, Output Styles, open Style Manager. Then you need to find the referencing style you want, then tick the style. For example, says Vancouver. Then close this dialog box. Referencing style will appear in the options in the Endnote as well as in the MS Word automatically. So that is how you can make the referencing style appear in the options here. So also remember, update citations and bibliography while you change the styles. Okay. Also, while citation, there are certain issues that my students are facing. So maybe you are also facing the same. So this is the library that I had created by online search. But there are some articles, some references which will not show in the PubMed library. Okay, so those articles, for example, journals of specific country or location might not be indexed in PubMed, or journals that are indexed in other library but not in PubMed. And also some government report or some articles you have found in websites that is also not shown in the PubMed, and news articles which you want to cite. Okay, so for those kind of references, what you need to do is you need to create a new reference and fill this fields of the article, paper, or website, whatever you have. So you just need to define the type of the reference you want. Sometimes it is report or government document, okay, or magazine article, journal article, newspaper article, online database. So there are different types over here. So author always be the person who have written the article, or if it is a report generated by some organization abbreviation will be here. For example, if you have taken some data from the WHO fact sheets, then author you can mention WHO and the year that has been published. Then title, you can keep the type as web page, okay. So you just need to fill up this information. Then you can keep the URL, the web address for more information. Then go to file, save it. So I'm just not saving anything. So okay, I'll just give you an example. For example, you are taking WHO fact sheets 2020, title is fact sheet, it is about, okay, let's say COVID-19 situational report. So I'm saving this, and what happens is it will rightly appear in the library and you can cite it accordingly. Okay, so this is how you can generate a new reference. Or for some journals, for example, let me just go to a local journal of Pokhara University, which is not yet indexed in PubMed. You want to cite this article, but it will not show in the online search mode, okay, as it is not indexed in PubMed. So what you can do is either you can make new reference and fill up all the information that is given here, like how to cite. You can also copy paste the citation format manually. You can get several other formats as well. Or if you don't want to do this all manually, you can just find different other formats. Here you can see download citation. You need to click this. So if Endnote is not there in download citation or cite, you can find .ris or .nb or several other formats that opens directly in Endnote. So just I'm clicking this, it will download the file. If I'll open this, it will directly be imported in my library. So you can see imported references. Now it is already been included in my library. Then you can cite this. So this is how you can add your references which you have not retrieved from the online search mode but downloaded or searched in the other journals which is not indexed in PubMed. Okay, so several other journals which are not indexed in PubMed, you can perform similar steps. You can also see, I'm just giving you an example of PubMed as well. If you have not searched references from Endnote library or have not performed this online search in Endnote library and have done manual search in Google search engine or different other journals, you can just click the article, then you can find the cite, okay, in cite. So sometimes you'll not find Endnote you'll just need to download .nbiv or .ris. So you'll just need to download this, which will directly open in your Endnote library in the imported references. You don't need to copy this. It will automatically be included in your library. Okay. So what my students were doing is, I'll just show you examples of errors that my students are facing. For example, the references, some references are not appearing as they should be. These kind of errors. So how you can solve this kind of error is, just for this, first I'm talking about this error where the citation is not appearing according to the citation or referencing style. So what you can do is just go to MS Word. First try refreshing your citation, update citation and bibliography. So if that does not change and the error still persists, then what you need to do is just click the location, define the location you want to cite the article, then insert the citation again. So this should automatically change all the referencing style or the reference list accordingly. So the error was the student was mistakenly inserting her citation from this references toolbar in insert citation. So she was doing it manually. Afterwards, she performed citation from Endnote. So the error occurred. So you need to insert citation from Endnote. Okay, so another error, referencing list is not according to the style that is being clicked. So how this error occurred, I'll just show you the example. What my student did was, instead of downloading the citation file, what she did was downloaded the references she want to cite. She created a folder with all the references she want to cite. For example, I'm just taking this references, for example. Then she went to Endnote and import folder. Then she just imported the folder itself. Okay. Then she clicked the references and cited the particular reference. So you can see it is not showing the reference as the style we have chosen here, but it is numbered. If you just click APA style, this kind of errors is being seen. So in order to solve this problem, you either need to download the nbiv or .ris or Endnote file from the cite or export citation or download citation options in the specific article. Then open the file, which will automatically be imported in the Endnote file. Then you cite the specific reference in MS Word. Okay, that is how you can solve the problem. So either you can do this or create a new reference and do this manually, keeping all the information of the particular article, then save it, then cite the specific article. Okay, I'll just summarize today's session. So today's session was all about how to cite references in MS Word. You need to open the Endnote library, click the specific reference you want to cite, or you can also cite multiple references in the same location. If the sentence or paragraph is being generated from multiple articles. You can also select multiple articles like this, pressing Ctrl and clicking the specific article you want to cite. Then go to MS Word, insert citation, insert selected citation. Then the article or references will be cited in the particular location, and your reference list will be updated automatically. If it is not updated automatically, you can just click Update Citations and Bibliography. Then it will format your reference list. Or you can change the styles as well. There are several styles. If the styles is not appearing in the options, you just need to go to Endnote, go to Edit, Output Styles, open Style Manager, tick the styles you want, then close it. Then it will appear in the options, and it will also automatically appear in the MS Word, and you just need to select it. So I have also talked about some errors for importing references. I hope this tutorial helps you with citing the references in MS Word, and also the errors if you have been facing it. Do comment your problems and issues that you have been facing so that I'll make a tutorial video for you to solve your problem. So this much for today. Bye for now. Take care.